Okay, hello guys. This is just a video, like update. Yeah, it's a small update for this video, for the implementation of this video. Basically, I was following this React Native Crash course. Pretty cool course, by the way. Thanks for this video. Uh, Basically, uh, this man is trying to implement a navigation section using the navigator component from React Native, but at this time that component is outdated. Outdated. Um, and my idea was to implement that functionality using the latest version of that navigator, because I was getting an error saying that the navigator component was deprecated. So I looked through the internet and I found this. I found this page, and you can find pretty much everything here. But I just wanted to record a small video to show up how to implement this part if you are following this video. And let's start. Yeah, so basically the first step is to install the React navigation module, npm module. So you can just type in here npmi flag d React navigation, and it will append the dependency to under the dev dependencies block React navigation. Yeah, that's what we need. So let's start. Let's wait a little bit for the installation. Yeah, and right now we have the React navigation module, and the next step is to create a file. The next step is to create a file called app.js. You can name it whatever you want. So and you basically you just have to to put some code there, but I'm going to just first I'm going to change the the Android file. We just have to remove this all of this line of codes, and you just need to import the app.js file that I'm going to implement here. Yeah, basically that is the first step. Go to the Android and iOS files and just remove the code there and import the app.js file. Within the app.js file, you're going to have something like this. We're going to copy this example in order to check it out. And basically here we have an example here, example that we can use. Let's save that. And there is something, we are missing something here. Oh yeah, I know what is going on here. So after you paste the example, you need to paste the register component. My register component is going to be this one, and we're going to use this simple app. Let's save this. Looks like we have an error over here. Yeah, let me take a look. I think I'm going to close all of this stuff. Yeah, I'm going to close all of this and start my project again. Yeah, I'm going to React Native start, and let's see what happens. So the second step is to trigger. We're going to trigger the. I'm going to trigger the Android application, but I'm getting a blank page in my real device. I'm testing the application in a real device, so I'm getting a blank page, and I don't know why. So let's take a look. Let's take a look the the code here. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, I know what is going on here. Let me fix this. But I'm not sure if this is the issue. But I'm going to change something that I'm watching here. Let me just take a look at this code. Yeah, and now it is working. I'm going to show you in a moment, but let me change something here. I'm going to import the component, and basically we are going to extend from component because this is the latest way to work with React. Latest way. The documentation says that we need to extend from component. Yeah. Okay, so right now basically we have something like this. I'm using Join.me to show you guys how it is look like. So right now we have a welcome title and hello and navigation content text. Yeah, as you can see in my device, my real device. Yeah, what else we need here? So and if you are following this video as me, and you're trying to implement a navigation between pages. So the next step here is to implement the main view here. So I'm going to import my main view here, which is general view. I named it general view. General view from general view. So we are here inside app.js, so we have to go to app components. Yeah, general view folder, general view component. Yeah, that is the name of my component. And basically here I have the screen, home screen, and this home screen is going to render this is going to return this component, and I think I'm receiving a prop here. This prop message. Yeah, I'm receiving a message prop, so I'm going to pass a message. Hey there, this is my message. Okay, cool. Okay, everything is cool here. What else we're missing here? Let me take a look. Simple app, and here we can just call this something like app. Yeah, this is just a name of a variable, so we can name it as we can name it with the name with whatever we want, basically. App, yeah. So if we take a look the screen, we now have something. We have something like this. We have a welcome title, which is the navigation title. We also have the header. This is my message. There is the prop that I'm passing to the general view component, and we also have two boxes. Here I was just checking the Flexpose functionality, and here we have two text box, so we can type in something there, something here, and it is working, as you can see. And here we have the user list. Yeah. Um. Yeah, I think we can add some margin here in this user list. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, so basically we have general view component, which is this component. Within this component we have user list, which is this component, and here we have a list view, and this view is calling a callback. Render my row. This render my row, and we have a name, we have an email. Basically I'm going to add a let me take, okay, I'm just going to add some margin here, and let's check the screen right now. Okay, now we have some space there. It's cool. It's looking a little much better. So what else we're missing here? So the next step is to implement the redirection. Basically you just have to pass a prop, which is navigation. Yeah, you have an object called navigation, so we can just do a console log here. This dot props, this dot props. Let me turn on the log here. Hit log. Where is my log? Yeah, this one. Okay, we have a log. Okay, this props screen, as you can see, we have a navigation object. Within that object, we have a navigate prop, which is a function. And yeah, basically we can just pass the this props object, and now those properties are going to be available within general view component. We can go there, general view component, and here we are receiving the props from my parent. So basically I'm going to extract the navigate function. I'm just going to extract that function, and we can find it inside these props navigation navigation. Yeah, and we're going to pass that navigate function to the user list component. Okay, navigate. So we are passing a prop called navigate, and we're passing a function that we are setting here. Yeah, we are setting that navigate variable here. And yeah, if we console log with the user list, let's open user list, and for example, if you console log here, console.log navigate this dot props navigate, and we have the navigate we have the navigate function there. So now that we have the navigate function, we can just implement as this man is trying here. If you are following the video, this man has implemented something called what is something called touchable highlight. Yeah, touchable highlight. So we are going to use that touchable highlight within here, and basically you just need to import the component from React Native. What else we're doing here? Yeah, here. Within Vue, we're going to put the touchable highlight. Yeah, we're going to close it from here. Yeah, that should be working. Okay, so far so good. So we have this is basically to implement the click, to implement something like animation when you click on a row. For example, if you click here, if you click on one of these elements. Okay, let me refresh this. Touchable. Let me take a look what else we need here. Touchable on press. Okay, let's have this handler. So on press button, on press button, on press button. So row, click it, and we're going to bind that function. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So we have available that function right now. Yeah. What else we're missing here? Yeah. We need something called onPress. And we are going to execute a function which is going to be this handler, this function, and we're going to pass the raw data, and this raw data will handle, or will hold, yeah, will have the user. So basically here, raw data, and if for example I receive here something called user, and I console log that user.name, we're going to see the name of that clicked row. So let's check this out. So if I click, for example, in this one, I should be able to see a console log row clicked and the name of that user. Yeah, we are in the right path. Okay, what else we need here? So basically I just need to perform a redirection to the details page, which is the page that this man in this video is trying to implement. Yeah. Yeah, let me take a look. This recap. Just recap a little bit. So basically, general view, we're passing a navigate prop to the user list component. Where is that navigate? Yeah. Okay. So right now here we have the If we console log, we have the navigate is here. We have the navigate available to use it. These props navigate. These props navigate. Yeah. Let's refresh this. Navigate is here. Yeah, it's here. So if we look at the documentation, we can just perform a radiation. It's very simple. You just have to do something like this: navigate and the name of the page that you're going to use, or then the page that you want to be redirected to. So this props. What was the name? Let me take a look. Yeah, this props navigate. So we're going to use this prop here, navigate. Now we have available this function, and we're going to just put the name of the page that I want to see. In this case, the page is going to be users details and screen, and I'm going to import my users list, users details, my users details, and that users details is this component. So we are going through app components, user details. What else we are missing here? Yeah, details, users details here. Okay, cool. So right now we have imported the user details component, and we are going to use that component here. We just put it there. That should be available from the navigation. So we can copy these user details in here, and here we can also pass a parameter. We can pass something like user and that is going to be passed to the user details page. Yeah, but let's try if this is working. We're going to check the redirection here. So let's check this page. So everything looks fine. If we click in a row, it will go to the user details page, which is this component, user details. Yeah. Basically we can extract here the parameters from the routing or from the navigation, which is this props. We can console that thing here from here. This props, this props. Let's take a look. At that. Yeah. So if you can see, we have these props. We have available navigation and something called state, something called params. So basically, we can just put here cons params and these props dot navigation dot state and we are going to extract the params from that. So basically we are receiving a user. If we take a look here, user, and here we are receiving a user object. So I'm going to pass that user object here. Yeah. And here I can just put something like name params dot I'm sorry, we need the brackets here. Params dot user dot name, and here the name. What else we can use? We can check the endpoint. Basically, that man in the tutorial is using this API, so we can use it. So we can show up the name, the email, name, email, email. What else? The address. So this is basically the details about the clicked user address. User address dot street. Yeah. Okay. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Something is wrong here. Okay, next we need to save something here in order to refresh the page. We cannot render into any data root. Okay, we're missing something. I'm not sure what is going on here. Let me take a look. Okay, navigation is here. I'm going to remove this console log. Navigation is here. Yeah. Okay, I know navigation is there. So row clicked. If we click on a row, yeah, it's working. We can check the console log. Row clicked is named Graham because we're just displaying the name. But here we're passing the whole user object as parameter to this view. So with the user details, we have available the user object, and we can just put we can just print out the name, the email, the street. Yeah, that's cool. Let's take a look here. We have the user list, and if we click in one of these rows, we're going to be redirected to the user details page, and we have the name, we have the email, and we have the address. That's pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you guys. So see ya.